friends, welcome to today's class. This is the question we are going to be solving. The solution. Let's write down question a to the power of n or to the 80 to the power of n equal 80. So we know we can express this as 2 to the power of 3. 2 to the power of n equal, this is the same thing as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 5. So if you multiply, the whole of this is going to give us 80. And recall if we have a to the power of n or to the power of n, power of a power law is the same thing as a to the power of mn. So applying that here, we're going to have 2 to the power of 3m equal, this is the same thing as 2 to the power of 4 times 5. So this is what we have. Let's apply log on both sides. 2 to the power of 3m equal log of 2 to the power of 4 times 5. But you know, if we have log a to the power of b is the same thing as b log a. So we're going to apply this law here. So it's going to be 3m log 2 equal log 2 to the power of 4 times 5. We also recall when we have log, so log, if we have log a times b is the same thing as log a plus log b. So we'll apply this here. So we're having 3m log 2 equal log 2 to the power of 4 plus log 5. And you know, again, when we have applying this same law here, we'll apply this here, this same law here, we're going to have 3m log 2 equal 4 log 2 plus log 5. So this is what we are going to have. So dividing here by log 2, divide here by log 2, divide here by log 2, such that log 2 divides log 2, and we're left with 3m equal log 2 divided log 2, we're left with 4 plus log 5 divide log 2. But recall when we have log a divide log b is the same thing as log a base b. Recall when we have this, log a divide log b is the same thing like log a base b. So let's apply that here. So it's going to be log 5 base 2. So this is the value of our m. Our m is this, we are looking for m, but this is 3m. Sorry. So we are going to divide all through by 3 such that our m is going to be 4 divided by 3 plus 1 over 3 log 5 is 2. And m can be written as, you can decide to factor out what is common, 1 over 3, 4 plus log 5 is 2. So this is the value of our m. Let's check if it's correct. So this is our value of m. So let's substitute it here and see if we get 80. So now a to the power of, let's use this as our m, 4 over 3 plus 1 over 3 log 5 is 2. Is that going to be equal 80? Let's find out. Okay, so this is what we have. And you know, this is the same thing as 2 to the power of 3. 2 to the power of 3 all to the power of 4 over 3 plus 1 over 3 log 5 base 2. Is that going to be equal 80? So seeing that this Power of a power law, e to the power of m, all to the power of n is the same thing as e to the power of mn. So apply that here. The same thing as 2 to the power of 3 will multiply this, we are left with 4 times 3 will multiply this, so 3 times 1 over 3 to be left with plus log 5 base 2. These are going to be equal 80, and this can be written as, when we have e to the power of m plus n is the same thing as e to the power of m times e to the power of n. So apply this here. This is the same thing as 2 to the power of 4 times 2 to the power of log 5 base 2. These are going to be equal 80. So if this is what we have, when we have log a to the power of log b, this is the same thing as b. This logarithm law, that if we have a to the power of log b, this is equal b. So let's apply that here. So 2 to the power of 4 times, we are going to have 5, we are going to be equal 80. So we have 2 to the power of log 5 base 2, so we only have 5 as our answer here. And 2 to the power of 4 times 5. So 2 to the power of 4, what will it give us? So which is 16. So 2 to the power of 4 is 16 times 5. Is that going to be 80? So 16 times 5 is 80. So the left hand side equal the right hand side, which implies truly our m value is equals to 4 over 3 plus 1 over 3 log 5 is 2. Or you can decide to factor out 1 over 3. So thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe.